Hey, my good people. Y'all see me bobbing and weaving all over everywhere. I just picked up my U-Haul. So first of all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel for my faithful few. I always show y'all the event side of stuff, like me actually doing the events, but I never really share with y'all the rental side of it. I have thrown it in a couple of videos here and there, but I've never really showed y'all what I really do when it comes to my rentals. And it's not anything special. I'm just pretty much going to pick up my throne chairs and drop them off. I got my oldest with me. TJ, say hey.
Hey.
He done got big, ain't he, y'all? If you've been with me from the beginning, he done got big. So I got a little van. I don't necessarily have to get a box truck for my thrones because I lay them down. It's padding back there. So that's the route that I take. But if you are new here, my name is Thomas and I am an event designer. I've been doing this for 3 years now, professionally, I will say. I started out doing it for family members, and it just ballooned and it blossomed to this. It blossomed to what you see on my channel. So I'm just sharing the ins and outs of me doing it. So I'm just dropping off some throne chairs today, and it's not, like I said, really anything spectacular or exciting about it, with the exception of me doing it. So y'all just stick around. I'll probably add some more content to this video, but nonetheless, thank y'all for stopping by my channel. I really need to keep it real with myself and get another storage unit, but until I really start back getting into the nitty-gritty, I'm not willing to make that commitment to have another expense. But right here, I'm just loading up my chairs. Like I said, I put them on the side. We used to have access to that back lift gate, but somebody got it jammed up one day, and the storage facility put an end to that. So what you see is me just going through that small door. And look at my son's footage, y'all. Check him out.
Look, this jacket. There. This. Cool.
What you recording, T?
I'm calling the truck. See this? See that? See that? See that?
And what do you do? Today?
How you doing? I got the throne chairs.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Y'all are literally not gonna believe this. I am at the hospital. Bernice done had that baby. My baby, this baby, our baby. By the time y'all see this, baby probably is gonna be a few weeks old, maybe a month old or so, I don't know. But I just think this is one reason why I planned EOE events around her pregnancy and delivery, because I did not want a time to come for me to have to reach out to a client and say, hey, I can't do your event because I got this going on. And thankfully, I have not had a situation like that so far, and I'm thankful that this didn't turn into one of those situations. But her water broke last night at around 10:10. Y'all should have seen me, this first baby that the water done broke on, but some told me that it was gonna happen. It broke. We got to the hospital at about 11:20, and she had the baby at 5 o'clock roughly this morning, and it is the following day. So I need to go get these chairs, and this is just turned into a whole little mini vlog, so it'll be more clips and things to come in the remainder of this video. But I just want to let y'all know that that's crazy how that happened and how fast that happened. Y'all stay tuned. Hey y'all, this is another side quest of mine. I was on my way to Raleigh, and I think I mentioned not too long ago that the Triangle Party and Craft Store was supposed to be closing down, and somebody had messaged me, and I think this was maybe 3 or 4 months ago, because it was around the holidays and I really wasn't doing nothing. And I rode through And I saw the front of the building lit up and the open sign was on. So we're about to run in here if they are open and see what they got, because I really do need to pick up some stuff, but then I really don't need to pick up stuff because as you can see, I got a vehicle full. And forget the way I sound, I was just under the weather and I'm getting over it. So it's another side quest, the life of an event designer. So this location indeed was not closed down. I was happy to know that. I really wish I had looked at some more of the prices. I can't justify getting these again because I already have something similar, but I do plan to make another trip to pick up some things for some upcoming events that I have coming up and put them into my event designer inventory arsenal, I guess you can call it. I love those dessert stands. I like them, they're different. I don't have to have everything is square. I mean, it's circle. So these square ones really are neat. And then they got some candelabras up top that I really didn't get a good look at. But they did some rearranging in this store to allow more room. And y'all, if you're local, we got to keep this store open because it's a quick fix to grab items that you could potentially get online, but you can just run in and grab them if you need them. Y'all, if I do not make this wreath now, it probably won't get made. I really stopped making wreaths like a year or so ago, but I did a raffle, a wreath raffle giveaway for the fall season because I had some leftover flowers and I showed y'all that in a video. And then I had a client reach out to me because she just had to have a wreath, and before I can tell her how much to pay, she had sent the doggone money plus some. So I need to go ahead and make this wreath. So this is just an extension of what else I do when it comes to EOE. So sometimes I end up doing stuff that I really don't want to do, but y'all know how it goes.